Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from FMC Pay to M-Pesa in 2025. If you're holding USDT on FMC Pay and want to cash it out to your M-Pesa account for everyday use, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always, stay cautious with your finances. First things first, make sure you have a verified FMC Pay account and your M-Pesa details ready. Start by logging into your FMC Pay app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section to locate your USDT balance. Next, head over to the Withdraw or Transfer option. Select USDT as the currency you're withdrawing. Now, choose M-Pesa as your destination network. This might involve linking your M-Pesa account, so enter your phone number associated with M-Pesa and double-check for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and transaction fees, so keep an eye on those to maximize your funds. In 2025, FMC Pay has streamlined this with faster processing, but fees can vary based on network congestion. After confirming the details, hit the Withdraw button. You'll likely get a confirmation code sent to your phone. Enter it to authorize the transaction. Sit tight. Withdrawals to M-Pesa usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the time of day and network traffic. One quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts to protect against scams. If you encounter any errors, like insufficient funds or network issues, double-check your inputs or contact FMC Pay support. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from FMC Pay to M-Pesa in 2025. It's a game changer for turning your crypto into real-world money. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.